how you doing? So as you're probably already aware, we have done 2 videos about Sony ZV-1 vlogger camera, and we even got the gimbal, which is coming from Sony, but then we realized that it's too shaky and we need another equipment. So here is the box we have just received from Amazon, and I received this gimbal today. Let's open it and see what's inside. Ta-da! So the device we're gonna be opening today, it's a Crane M2. As you can see, there's a proper seal here. This is Zhiyun. We got some, I think later we're gonna check all of that. I will open it this way. Have a look. Here is it. So this is Zhiyun M2 Crane, which is made for camera Sony ZV-1. Alright, so here is the box. Let's check what's here. Okay, so we have a service card, and we have some quick start guide. Never seen it before. So basically, to operate it, you need to hold it this way. Here is the USB-C type, a leather strap, and the tripod legs. Yep. Oh, so you can put it flat right here. Here is the Crane M2. You can feel it's not that light. It's solid. It's not slippery. You can see the surface here. It's semi-leather, but it's not really leather. It's made of plastic, but very solid plastic. So wait for the next video when we're gonna be installing it properly, charging it, right? We need to charge it, and using it. Stay tuned for the next video, Crane M2 Zhiyun test by Zaurinio. See you.